Hello everyone, I have another fun mini album to share with you today. I made it with paper pad called Love Story, and it's done by First Edition Paper. It's got some nice shine to it. I used about a third of the paper pack, and there is 48 pages, is it? Yeah, 48 sheets and 3 sheets of 16 designs. So I used one of each of the pages that was in here to cover up the pages of my album here. So I'll share. So this was fun to make. It's a briefcase style, attaché case, something like that. Not quite a suitcase. It does have a handle, and it will stand up nicely on a shelf. I added these fun charms to it. So it just opens like this. And for the most part, it's made to be viewed this way. So there's lots of little pockets and tags. And just have fun putting little photos on them, journaling maybe what it's about here. Great photo mat there. On some of them they have flat pockets, little tags inside. You'll go in there. Another little photo mat here with a tag. Can add some information to the back. Another photo mat. So these were all done with file folders. And when I share this, I'll attach the tutorial that I used for making this. For the most part, I just designed the insides the way I wanted, but I did follow the tutorial a lot for the building of the album. It's not usually a color palette that I don't think I would choose for a whole album, but I really did like how this came together. There was lots of little bits and pieces of paper that I could pull from my stash that you know, collect them for years and years. Bunch of photo mats there. Just ties it up with a nice little piece of crocheted ribbon. Another tag. And another tag here. Photo mat that you could put 2 photos on here. Be a great celebration for an anniversary or a birthday. And you know, we have all these kinds of little stashes of things that we've had for years, like buttons and that, and it was great to be able to pull some of them out and use them again. A double tag slot. And again, a little tag behind a little belly band. And this is held down with a magnetic closure. And a sideways waterfall, I guess is what it would be. And then another belly band with 2 folded photo mat booklets. A couple more tags or photo mats. And this again is a waterfall. It's amazing how many photos one can actually get into a project like this. Another tag and tag. Couple of photo mats. These are attached down, these mats. This just slides in here. Not sure where that came from. And up in here, a couple more booklets for adding journaling or tags. Or pictures. Of course, they are kind of tag-like. Oh, there's a quick little run through of of the album. Like I said, it's nice and compact. Pretty sturdy too. It's nice and solid. Did have fun making this one. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye now.